Light upon Hi there, welcome back to my channel. So this is day 4 here in Croatia. We have just checked out. It's already 8 o'clock and we are heading slowly to our next destination, which we will reach in an hour, and after that slowly driving to the north. So we're just doing a quick stop by here at the Croatian supermarket. Yes, to take ourselves some water and some snacks because we are going to do a tiring activity again today.
Biće rata popodne. Aj vidi mi to, aj pa mi odmah javi.
We arrived in the national park, Krka.
Yes.
It's beautiful, huh?
It's beautiful. And the drive as well was fantastic.
And it's starting to getting green, everything here. We are surrounded by mountain on the other side and mountain on the right side, and in between
Mountain
the Krka.
everywhere.
Yeah, mountain
Croatia
everywhere.
is, I think, 80% mountain. Since we have arrived here and just saw like mountain and forest, national park.
If you want to walk everything here around, that's everything waterfalls. Look how many waterfalls we have. And they're all natural waterfalls. Fun fact, until 1 year ago I was allowed to swim in the river here, but it gets too much pollution in the water, that's why it is forbidden now. And we are walking now on the trail through the water. And it's really green right now, that's really perfect.
And it's not super hot.
Yeah, and not a lot of tourists.
Yes.
You have something like that similar in the Philippines?
No, I wish we had baby. But unfortunately, maybe we have something like national nature parks in Palawan.
It's so funny, it's so beautiful how the water finds its own way. Yeah. I want to walk past the people behind me, not standing in front of us.
Kirka National Park was officially established in 1985 to protect the unique ecosystems and cultural heritage along the Kirka River in Croatia. And shortly after its establishment as a national park, it was open to public, and since then it has developed visitor facilities and access points allowing people to explore its scenic waterfalls, trails, and historic sites.
Wish I could go home and turn myself into who I was. Heard someone creeping through the door. They found the key to my mind hidden on the floor. I tried to scream, but my voice was gone. And they stole every part of me I used to own. I was taken to
if you fall there inside, you're dead.
For sure. Kirka is home to over 860 plant species, 18 fish species, 10 species of amphibians, and 25 species of reptiles. It is also known to be a bird sanctuary with over 200 bird species, and the park has a remarkable variety of butterflies, dragonflies, and other insects. In summer, or if the water is warm enough for you, you can sit here and soak your feet and admire the view in front of you.
Maybe I'm filming you too. Don't break your phone.
Are you gonna film with the DJI?
No. I'll film with the... Oh my god, more stairs.
More stairs. Oh, there's a cat.
No,
Cute.
that's okay.
We made it back here at the parking space or parking spot, and this is where the ticket office is located as well. So basically this is your hop-on point to the bus that would take you to the Kirka National Park. The ticket or the entrance fee costs 20 euros each, so we paid, Mark and I paid 40 euros in total, but that will include the bus that would take you to the start of the trail or start of the walkway or footpath to the national park, and also boat tours. But we did not take the boat tour because we have itinerary, we have like planned for the day, and we couldn't spend like 5 hours in here. So yeah, but it was such an experience. It's so beautiful here. I would definitely go back. We would definitely go back. We are leaving the southern part of Croatia. We are heading north now. The next destination or our next hotel would be in Pula. That's gonna be another 4 to 5 hour drive. So we will see if we would stop at some places on our way or on our drive there. But yeah, we'll update you later once we get to our hotel.
It's a lechon. You can film out the window. Driving down the Jadranska Magistrala, you don't have to go.
Here, relax, okay?
And that was, you can show it here on the navigation. It's a
Yeah.
super curvy road from the northern coastline Croatia in Rijeka until the border of Croatia down in south. And that was the main, and back in the after until the 2000s, until 2000 I think, that was the main lifeline of Croatia between the north and the south. And everything who wanted to go in South Croatia was driving here. Now that they have the highway, they don't need that road anymore. That's why it's so empty to drive here.
No, it's
But
empty because it's not summer season. It's not
no,
season
I mean
too.
summer season, not a lot of people driving here
okay.
anymore. I think so. Yeah. And for me, it's nostalgic because me and my parents always drove here 10 hours long behind trucks and everything, and our cars, campers, RVs, and follow them, try to take over them, and yeah, it's nostalgic to drive there. And what we can see on our left side is now the Island Park. And Island Park is, for me, was always fascinating as a child because it was completely, there's no trees.
No vegetation.
Yeah, there is vegetation on the other side of the park, not on that side, I don't know why. And it's looking fascinating because you see just an island full of stones.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Cool, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know why it's even here bus stop. Here's nobody living. Oh, is there a house on the right side?
There are some houses.
Oh, there was a house?
Yes.
Okay.
But yeah, it would be a waste of gasoline for 1-2 passengers. But yeah, that's what you call service. Remember like the village in Japan?
For one old lady.
Uh-huh. Same. It's visible.
There's the
I think they're even
Alcatraz.
stopping to take a picture of
Wanna
the...
stop too? I know.
No. Yeah.
Are
So
you
that
fishing?
naked island with so that naked island without trees or vegetation is Croatian Alcatraz.
Yeah, called Goli Otok. And
Okay.
was the Croatian Alcatraz for people who was against against the regime and against Tito, against his mindset.
The rebels.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even people who want maybe a democracy, not a socialistic state anymore.
How do you call them again? Political
Yeah.
prisons?
Yeah, also.
Oh, okay. So it has prison, a jail there, and of
Yeah.
course, just like the Alcatraz, it's hard to escape. But according to Marco, there were 3 successful.
That's what my dad told me back in time.
Ah,
I don't know
okay.
if it's true.
3 successful fugitive. Yeah, let's talk a little bit once we reach the next curve to the water.
A camping park.
Oh, nice. We've reached our hotel. We're walking towards it now. That is how it looks from the outside. And I will give you a tour. Our room, of course. That's the balcony of our room. And you'll get to see the inside later. Hello everyone, so I just want to give you an update that we made it here in Pula and we are currently checked in our hotel, and it's called Adrian Apart Hotel. So it's not really a hotel, but it's more of apartment hotel. And yeah, that's after almost 6 hours drive we made it here. So I will give you a quick tour. So when you enter the room, the first door here is the toilet. Let me just turn on the light. There you go. So just the basic that you need. Rain shower, just like the first one. Yes. And also, we have some lights installed on the mirror, which is good. For some, yeah, if you're into touching up and stuff like that. And here is a full body mirror. There you go. We have the luggage rack here, and these cushions are for the seats outside because we have a balcony. On this side is a kitchen, a little kitchen. It comes with microwave, induction cooker. What else do we have here? Some kitchenware as well. This is the small little fridge. Okay, on this side we have a proper dining table. This is a room. From the bedroom you have the access to the balcony. There. This is the balcony. And finally, the view. Overlooking the sea. Wow, that looks good.
It's still there. Eat yours.
I want to see the inside.
Eat yours.
Yeah. Our hotel room, so we will just be chilling for the rest of the night, get some rest because tomorrow is another adventure in the city of Pula. So if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on my next one. Tschüss!